Hot water and a lot of laundry detergent. Change new water every day until the water is clear. This is the 5th day result. Now is the 6th time cleaning. Use a wire brush to do a gentle cleaning.
The next day. "2,000 years later."
Clean until paper towel is clean. Very important. Must put on gloves when every time touching the manifold from now on. Have some paint on the surface, but I won't spray straight on it. You can do 3 to 4 layers. Always do thin layer. 5 minutes to let it dry in between every layers. Second layer. Third layer. The last layer can be a bit thicker. Wait for 1 hour to dry after the last layer. Put a tray on top to avoid oil dripping. (190° preheat). 150° for 2 hours. Apply clear coat when the manifold is still hot. Very important, apply 5 to 6 layers clear coat. 5 minutes in between every layers. Thick coat at last layer. Bake 200° for 2 hours. Remember to cover holes and threads. Clear coat is done.
Konnichiwa.